Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start right now by removing the mechanical key. Press the release and slide it out. Once done, use a coin or small flat tool in the seam, twist gently to pry the halves apart. You do this because plastic clips can break if you force them. Spreading pressure evenly prevents damage. Keep the fob on a soft cloth to catch the tiny spring or pad, and note orientation of the old battery so you install the new one the same way. Once the fob is open, locate the round CR2032 cell and observe the plus and minus orientation. You remove the old cell with a plastic pick or fingernail. Metal tools can short and damage electronics. After extraction, place the new CR2032 into the slot so the positive side matches the original orientation, usually facing up. Press it flush against the metal contact until you feel it click into place. You now align the two housing halves and press them together evenly until all clips engage. Do not force one side first because you might misalign internal contacts. Once sealed, slide the mechanical key back in. Test each function, lock, unlock, trunk, and panic, standing near the car. If buttons fail, reopen the fob, verify battery orientation, and that the metal contact is clean and making contact. If needed, gently clean contacts with isopropyl alcohol and retry. That troubleshooting step fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.